Today we are going to start topic partnership. Partnership. The basic rule. Basic rule in partnership is its profit when capital is same, we distribute in period is equal to period into time. This is period into time. Oh, sorry, period into investment. Period into investment. This is basic. Period, that is investment of time. Okay. This is basic formula. Write down this formula. Please guide Shaheen. She can't hear properly my voice. If possible, please um, help her by writing comments on chat so that she can hear properly. Okay, we'll move towards questions directly. Now, Smith and Kate started business investing. This is investment. I am writing investment. Only I writing. Rupees 84,000 and 28,000. Okay. In what ratio the profit be earned after 2 years be divided between Smith and Kate respectively? Okay. In what ratio you are going to distribute their profit after 2 years? Okay. Now, in what ratio? That is only given is what is given? Only their investment is given. So we are going to distribute their profit in investment ratio. 28 3s are 28 1s are. So what is the answer? 3:1. After 2 years, we are going to distribute in 3:1. Clear? If it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead. How the numerator and denominator are same? No, they are not same. Numerator and denominator are not same. I'm talking about the ratio. That is the ratio. That is ratio. This is ratio. It is not same. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. Clear? Okay. You will get it while solving the question. Don't worry. Okay. Now next, this question all of you got? All of you got? Clear? Yes. Now we'll move ahead with next question. Sham Ram invested and gained profit which was divided in the ratio 2:3. Profit, I am writing here profit in the ratio 2:3. Okay. If Sham invested 40,000, Sham invested 40,000. What is the investment of Ram? This is investment. Okay. Since period time is not given, that is equal. Now formula. What I told you the formula is profit upon which profit. I told you the formula. What is that? Investment into पिरियड किंवा मी इथे टाइम लिहितो, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट इंटू टाइम, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट इंटू टाइम. Since time is not given, we can cancel the time. What is investment here? 40,000 is investment. What is B's investment? We don't know. We are writing question mark, that is X. A's profit to B's profit. B's profit 3. So 2 is to 3. Now, if you are going to solve, you will get the value of X. But there is one more method, that is um, direct method. 2 multiplied by what number is 40,000? 2 multiplied by what number is 40,000? Yes, 20,000. So 20,000 into 3 is X. What is that answer is? 20,000 into 3 is 60,000. Check your answers. Samida, you got formula? Yes. So should we go ahead? Atharva, Amay, Harsh, Harshali, Nikhil, and Shubham, Sanika, Shivam, Shahid. Should we go ahead? Yes. Pallavi, Priyanka, should we go ahead? Yes. Now the question is. Now there are three persons: John, Tyson, and Mike. Started a business investing 1 lakh 50,000. So this is investment. 1 lakh 1,50,000 and 1,75,000. We will cancel first three zeros in all. Four zeros, four zeros. Okay, we will cancel four zeros. No, three zeros in all. Huh? We'll cancel three zeros to make it equal or to find out the ratio. If share of Mike out of annual profit is okay. Now total profit is given. What is total profit? Total profit is given as 46,000. Now we want to find out the ratio. So we'll find out ratio by dividing 25. 25 4 the 25 6 the 25 7 the. Total ratio is 70. Total ratio is 70. And whose profit we want? We want profit of Mike. So Mike's profit of Mike is equal to total profit 46,000. Out of that, he will get 7 parts out of total 17. Now calculate this and tell me the answer of question number 3. Calculate this and find out the answer. Calculator is not allowed. We'll check how many of you got the answer. Yes, Samida got the answer 18941.17 and that is correct. Very good. Check your answer. You have to do the calculation only. Concept part which I have covered. Now your answer is option number C. If it is clear, say yes, we'll move ahead. Question number 4. Now take 36 seconds, 30 seconds to solve the question. We want to find out total profit. 30 seconds. Try to solve. We'll discuss. We want to find out total profit. Now I will solve. I will first read the question. Harry John Smith start a shop investing 27,000, 72,000, 81,000 respectively. Harry John Smith invested 27,000, 72,000, 81,000. This is their investment. And profit earned by, when profit distributed, Smith earned 36,000. So what is the total profit? We want total profit. Profit of Smith we know that is 36,000. Okay. So we'll find out first. We'll find out the ratio of their profit. 9 3s are, 9 8s are, 9 9s are. So share of Smith is 36. 9 4s are 36. Okay. So what is the total share? 8 plus 3 plus 9 is 20. 9 means 36,000. Then total share is 20. 9 4s are 36. 24s are, what is the answer? 80. 24s are 80. So your answer is 80,000. Check your answer. Check your answer. I solved it by a very easy method. Not calculated everyone's profit. If you are going to calculate everyone's profit and then you are going to add, that takes lot of time. Okay. If it is clear, say yes, we'll move ahead. Chalo. George started a hardware business by investing 50,000. After 6 months, this is investment. Kate joined with a capital of 70,000. After 3 years, they earn profit of 25,000. This is their investment. Total profit is given as after 3 years is 25,000. Okay. And we want find the profit of George. Now we want profit of George. Period is given after 6 months. That means total 36 months. George is there in the business, but Kate is in the business for only 30 months. Again, we can calculate this ratio. 6 6 6 5. Now we know how we calculate formula. G's profit upon Kate's profit is equal to investment into what time or period. Investment into time. So G's profit, so 5 into 6 upon 7 into 5. We will get a ratio of G and K, that is George and Kate is 5:7. Ratio of profit. 5:7. In this ratio, we want to distribute the total profit. What is the total profit? Is 25,000. And whose profit we want to calculate? We want to calculate profit of George. George's profit is 5 out of 12. This is George's profit. So calculating this, you will get the share of George. Tell me, calculate this and tell me. You can judge from the given option. If it is clear, say yes. Now tell me the answer. From the given option, just tell me the answer. None. नियर अबाउट भी नहीं आ रहा है. You want to calculate only 25,000 into 5 upon 12. You want to calculate this only, this much is the calculation. 25,000 into 5 upon 12. Near to which answer? अथर्व, none तो क्या आंसर है? Near to which answer? चलो, tell me, if it is none, then what is the answer? If it is none, then what is the answer? If your answer is none of these, then what is the calculation? Okay. Calculator is not allowed. Huh? So none of these is not there. So we are writing here 11,538. 14 not agreed. 14,000 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. 14,000 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. ये बघा ना 25 into 5. Your answer is 11,538.46. That is the correct nearer to this. Well, 2s are 24. So 1,000 is here. 0. 12 8s are 96. 3s are 5 3s are 15. 8 5s are 40. Carry 4. 4 5 2s are 10. 10,400 के आसपास है. So for this is the nearest answer. So mark this is your answer. Okay. Clear? 10,400 के आसपास आंसर आ रहा है. तो mark the nearest answer. That is 11,538. We'll move to next. चलो. Percentage. आता इथे स्पेलिंग पुढे मागे झाले ते जाऊ द्या. Percentage per. What is meaning of per? Per का meaning होता है divide by. Per means divide by. What is cent? Cent means 100. Cent means 100. So percent means what? Divide by 100. This is a rule. Or you can say percentage. Chalo, we'll move towards the question. Difference between two numbers is 1550. 8% of one number is 10% of another number. Yes. There are two numbers given. Two numbers are given. Two numbers are given. So you can find out from the given option. Difference between two numbers is 1550. चला difference 1550 है क्या देख लो. Difference 1550 है क्या देख लो first. 3 minus 3 0 5 6 6 9 plus 5. 1550. ये डिफरेंस तो 1550 है. ये डिफरेंस देखो. यस दिस इज अगेन 1550. चेक दिस डिफरेंस 1550 है क्या. यस दिस डिफरेंस इज आल्सो 1550. ये डिफरेंस 1550 है क्या देख लो जरा. यस दिस डिफरेंस इज अगेन 1550. So all satisfies the first condition. Now what is second condition? 8% of one number is 10% of other number. इसका 8% कितना होगा? That is equal to 10% of this. Same है क्या जरा देख लो. 8% of this is equal to 10% of this. इसका 10% क्या होगा? 700. इसका 10% है 700, इसका 8% निकालेंगे, 8 फाइदा 40 कैरी 4, 8 4 32 प्लस 36, no, this is not the way. Eight percent of this equal to 10% of this. Check whether both are correct or wrong. ये दोनों इक्वल है क्या जरा देख लो, बघा जरा कळालंय क्या? Think and tell me. You got the logic? What you have to you want to check that 8% of this is equal to 10% of this. What is 8% of this? 560 is equal to 10% of this. 10% क्या होगा इसका? 545. दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. ये दोनों नहीं है तो ये आंसर तो नहीं हो सकता. You are getting me? चलो, 10% of this is 620. 10% of this is 620. 8% of this, 8 5 40 carry 4, 56 plus 4. Again, this is not equal. Now you check this, please. You check this and tell me the answer. 8% of this. What is 8% of this? 520 is equal to 10% of this. This is 495. Equal है क्या? नहीं है, तो ये भी नहीं है जरूर. Now think and tell me कौन सा आंसर हो सकता है? You got the concept? All of you got the concept? Chalo, you got this concept? Okay, I will explain again. Difference between two numbers is 1550. So check the difference between these two numbers. Yes, this is 1550. This is again 1550. This is again 1550. This is again 155. But what is given? If 8% of one number is 10% of the other number, so 10% of this is 497.3 and calculate 8% of this. ये दोनों क्या होने चाहिए? इक्वल होने चाहिए. What is this 8%? What is this 8%? 8%. How you are going to calculate? 6523 multiply by 8 upon 100. Calculate. दोनों इक्वल है क्या? Check whether both are equal or not. अगर इक्वल है, so this is your answer. Check. इसका 10% and इसका 8% इक्वल है क्या? If it is clear, then this is your answer. Check in this way and tell me the answer. Chalo, calculate and tell me. All of you got the concept? Yes, very good. Samida and Shaheen got the correct answer. That is, चलो देखते हैं 6200. का 10% कितना होता है 620 ओके एंड 7750 इसका 8% जीरो गेट कैंसिल ओके नाउ 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं 5 2 जा 10 15 5 जा 75 5 5 जा 25 2 4 जा 8 155 into 4 155 into 4 is 620. So your answer is option number C. Chalo, if it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead. Two numbers P and Q are such that the sum of 2% of Q, 2% of P and sum of 2% of Q such that the sum of 2% of P and sum of 2% of Q is 2/3 of the sum of 2% of P and 6% of Q. 2/3 of 2% of P plus 6% of Q. Then what is the ratio? Chalo, take 30 seconds. I have already given you the hint. Now you have to solve only. I have already given you a hint. Take 30 seconds. Take 30 seconds to solve the question. So 30 seconds over. Now I will solve the question. Check here. 2% of P plus 2% of Q is equal to 2/3 of 2% of P plus 6% of Q. So what is 2% of P? Is 0.02 P plus 0.02 Q. I'm writing Q as like this. This is 2/3. I will transfer this 3 here. 2 multiplied by 0.02 P plus 0.06 cube. Now calculating this will be 0.06 P, and this will be minus 0.04 P equal to 1.2 Q minus 0.06 Q. This is 0.02 P equals to 0.06 Q. P upon Q equals to, I am writing here, this step I am writing here, 0.06 upon 0.02. This is 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 क्या होता है? 3 upon 1, and 3 upon 1 is 3:1. Check your answer. If it is not clear, tell me. If it is clear, say yes. We'll go ahead. Write that down or take a screenshot. Write it down or take a screenshot. If it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead. Okay, very good. Arey, Shahin was asking me about the, that is, homework. Huh? Yet it is not prepared, but I will send you the question within 2-3 days. Don't worry, Shai. Okay? And all of you, I will send you the question that is simple interest, simplification, simple interest yet not covered, simplification, and then average. I will send you the question. Don't worry. Huh? Okay. Shahin अजून तयार नाही झाले. 1-2 दिवसात पूर्ण होतील. 20 or 25%. Okay. चलो, we'll move ahead. 50% of a number is 18%, 18 less than 2/3 of that number. Find the number. Take 30 seconds again to solve this question. Chalo, 50% of a number is 18 less than 2/3 of that number. Chalo. चलो 30 seconds over. अरे very easy question. चलो देख लेते हैं. 50% of a number. चलो number is x. What is 50% of that number? Is 18 less than 2/3 of that number. So x upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 is equal to minus 18. 3x minus 2x, x upon 6 minus x upon 6 is equal to minus 18. So x is equal to 18. Clear? Sorry, 108. Clear? It is clear. This is a method. But what is the shortcut? Options are in front of you. Options are in front of you. So what you are going to do? ऑप्शन देख लो. चलो, इसका इसका 2/3 निकाल सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. यानी 2/3 मीन्स डिवाइडिंग बाय 3. दिस इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो ये तो आंसर नहीं हो सकता. अगेन दिस इज अगेन नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो दो आंसर तो चले गए. ओके, नाउ वी वांट टू थिंक अबाउट दिस ओनली एंड दिस. Now 50% of this is 54 half. What is the 2/3 of this? 108 का 2/3 कितना होता है? देख लेते हैं. 36 to the 72. 72 minus 18 करोगे तो what you will get? You will get 54. So your answer is 108. Clear? इसका 50% तो होता नहीं, तो ये आंसर नहीं होगा. आप नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं. तो दिस इज योर आंसर. क्लियर? चलो देख लो डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन. शॉर्टकट. इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन गिवन ऑप्शंस. फटाफट आंसर कर दो और जॉब पे लग जाओ. दिस दिस इज द करेक्ट मेथड. नाउ दिस टाइम आई एम गिविंग यू 2 क्वेश्चन फॉर your homework. Write down this or take a screenshot. If it is complete, लिख के हो गया तो मुझे बोल दो, मैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन दिखाऊंगा. चलो नेक्स्ट. And send me the answer on my WhatsApp number. चलो, these are the 2 questions. This is your homework. Okay, send me the answer on my WhatsApp number. Good night to all of you, and we'll meet tomorrow at same time. Okay.